From McGregor on a 2000 with a 2010 Cummins. We're assuming that's in a Dodge. Sean Knockman from Ryan brought his 2001 Dodge down. And that was A.J. Schrader from Gary Crow's nephew. And evidently, they didn't let him drive the big show.
Keep me out of Chevy, come on. Oh!
That is down good.
And there's that video again with that hitch coming off the back. Oops. In the past, there's been a couple fellas that ran around. One of them was a Schrader and one of them was a Crow, but they both came from the same town, so one pulled a trailer in case the other guy broke something, they could haul him home. I'm not sure if these two young men from Fairbank are friends or foe, but Connor Jones, that's an 02 Dodge.
That's going on the high side.
And he's getting down there. Suspension and I'm strapped in there so I can't bounce around.
I'm not sure. Don't do that. Don't do that.
All they got to do is say their name and how far they went.
This is Will Potts from Robbins on a 39 F-250.
Hey, this is Tyler Robbins, 804 Chevy. It's a little hard coming off the line. The 2001 Dodge. Holding her fingers on the wrong line. Smooth runner. Like I said, it's pretty hard starting off the line. There we go. Okay, that was worth the wait. Oh, 335. Even, 335. Good thing the spoke's on your side. Ride the clutch.